Hello, how do I get there? Excuse me, how do I get to the Red Cafe? The Red Cafe? Let's see. Go to the corner and turn left. Left. Go 2 blocks and turn right. Right. Around the corner is the train station. Take the train. Don't take the train. Go through the station, across the street to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is the pharmacy. Next to the pharmacy is the Red Cafe. Yes, got it? Let's do it again. Corner, left, 2 blocks, right, right, around the corner, don't take the train, through the station, across the street, bookstore, pharmacy, Red Cafe. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. Bye bye.